Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, Programming with VJ. Hope all are doing well. In this video, we are going to see about how to spawn object in circle pattern with respective to the origin point. If you had not subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel. Click on bell icon to get notification. Create a scripts folder. In the scripts folder, create a C# script. Give the class name as circle. In the hierarchy, create a game object. Name the game object as origin. From this point we can instantiate object around it. Next create circle prefab to instantiate. In the child of circle prefab, add game object with text mesh component. Adjust the text mesh components, character size and font size, so that it can fit in the center. Now create a prefab folder. In the prefab folder, drag and drop the circle prefab created. Why I created text mesh component is we can know from which side it starts from. Delete the prefab from hierarchy. Attach the circle script to origin game object. Open the script in Visual Studio. Delete the update function, because we don't need that. We have to create some variables. First one is the prefab, which we are going to instantiate. Second is from how much radius it should be instantiated. Third one is number of circle to instantiate. Fourth one is origin point, where the circle will be spawned. Create a function, spawn around point. Create a for loop. The loop will start from 0 to number of circle to be instantiated. Create a float variable, name it as segment. Actually a whole circle is 2 pi r. Here we are segmenting the whole circle into number of circle, which we are going to instantiate. I denotes, the value of, index of circle starts from 0 to number of circle. Next create a float variable horizontal value. Circle value is cos theta, sin theta in vectors. Horizontal value will be cos theta. Vertical value will be sin theta. Both the vertical values and horizontal values will be angle in radians. We are storing the direction of radians into a vector2 variable dir value. Next we have to convert the radian value to the world position. It is just simple. Create a vector2 variable, world pos. Then add origin position and dir value and multiply it by radius. Why we add origin position is the circle spawn position will start from origin position the radians we calculated. Instantiate circle prefab in the world position, which we calculated above. To know where the spawn point is starting and ending, assign the I value to the text by getting child of the prefab. Call the function in the start method. Save and switch back to Unity. Now assign the values. Drag and drop the circle prefab. Give the radius value as you like. Number of circle to be spawned. Last origin point. Click play. You can see the circle spawned. But it is ahead of camera size. Adjust the camera size so that it can be visible inside the camera. I am giving camera size to 12. Now you can play with the number of circle and radius. I am giving even number of circle, so that it will look like perfect circle. Circle spawn position is starting from positive x-axis. We can start from negative x-axis. Switch back to Visual Studio. In the direction value, give horizontal value as negative. Save and switch back to Unity. Press play. You can see the starting position will be from negative x-axis. You can also see the circle be spawned around origin position wherever we move. Hope you liked the content. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel, and hit on the bell icon to get notification. Smash the like button, it will motivate me. Take care all of you. See you in next video.